Hello everyone, it's a Crypto Lord channel, and today we're gonna talk about a very interesting project. It's a project called Attrace. What Attrace is doing is creating a decentralized affiliate marketing platform. I'm going to explain this all to you. So let's take a look at the overall affiliate marketing industry, which is quite interesting. Its size has been estimated at 13 billion in 2018 in terms of expenditures. The overall online marketing space is worth than 260 billion. However, what are some of the pain points here? Well, high affiliate network fees, accurate tracking and attribution. Sometimes merchants decide to underreport sales and there are no remediation or way to audit their accounting. The payment process is often inefficient. It takes a long time late, and publishers complain about late payments or missing payments. There are very rigid, static rules regarding the value of leads. Publishers can differentiate between different leads that may offer a different customer lifetime value. For example, publishers and merchants can't communicate directly. They have to communicate so the affiliate network, or maybe just not at all, so they can't work together to get better placement and rearrange the site, for example, to make the ads perform better. To do all this, to solve all these problems, Attrace decided to make a brand new dedicated blockchain using the Golang language. They will use delegated proof of stake with witnesses. The token holders who vote in as witnesses will get rewards in token. The user interface of the solution will be similar to existing affiliate network interfaces. This will make it easier to adopt with no hurdles or roadblocks. Commissions will still be paid in USD or Euro between the two parties, but the plan is to migrate over the Attrace token at a later stage. Finally, the network fees will be paid by publishers and merchants in Attrace tokens, but it is done in an efficient manner, handled by smart contracts. In the links that I will give for you in description, there will be video and you can see graphics. Let's talk about benefits of the project. Lower fees, full transparency for every click and referral so that everyone can audit the data, payment automation made possible by smart contracts and blockchain. Publishers can distinguish between lead values so they can integrate dynamic pricing. The system provides a messaging interface between the publisher and merchant. There are no restriction to enter the network as a merchant. The network can counteract publisher spam or fraud by charging a fee for every subcontract that executed. So, cookie spamming will become prohibitively expensive for publishers. Let's talk about a Attrace token detail. The Attrace token will initially be an ERC20 token, similar to many projects these days. But the plan is to offer a token swap in the end of 2018. The total number of tokens offered will be 1 billion ATTR, which will be mainly to pay network and subcontract fees for all sorts of activities in the ecosystem. Publishers can to pay a small fee per sub-contract executed. This fee is paid to the witnesses who maintain the blockchain. Merchants pay network fees each time they pay commission, so 20% goes to the project team for expenses and 18% will be burned. There are some major differences between Attrace and its competitors in the blockchain space, such as payment options. Decentralized click tracking for every single click. Other projects just track the clicks that result in lead or sales. For example, Attrace will have a low commission rate. It will offer API integration and spam protection. Roadmap and progress. In terms of the roadmap and priori progress, what Attrace has done so far is to create the initial design, created the data models and network protocols. Basically, they have set off the technical foundations in place and done some initial network and software testing in terms of 2018 milestones. Attrace is going to do a lot of UI demos. They will test their data ingestion and give a demo of the Network Explorer. All links you can find in the description. You can try to read white paper on the site. Sorry guys for my bad voice, I'm pretty ill, so I'm glad that I can tell you about this project. It's done for now. See you later guys, goodbye.